Alright boys, good evening. It's already night here in Georgia. See that one? It's night already. And we're here to unbox 3 package for my GTR. And it's right there, 1, 2, and 3. There's 3 big packages. And first things first is for the people that didn't know, my name is Henry. And I own the Evo and the GTR. So right there you go. So let me just put that one. Like I said, it's kind of dark already. So let's do a quick unboxing for my 3 packages. Alright, so for all of you guys that watch my YouTube, and please recommend it to your friends. Please subscribe and like and share and give me some comments so that I could make more contents for my YouTube channel. I'm not doing this one to monetize my YouTube. I just wanted to share my build for my car, for my Evo and my GTR. Right, so right there is the Evo and the GTR is right here. The hood is open because I'm trying to check the oil. I just did the oil change today. So alright, so let's make it happen. Let's unbox first. So the easy one, small one. Oh, before I forgot, let's plug this one. Thanks to Ethan, Valiance Racing in Savannah. Thanks for the sponsor banner. Ripping your shop, Valiance Racing. Thanks to Ethan too. Right there, that's the owner for Valiance Racing. This is for the GTR. I'm gonna put this one maybe tomorrow. It's kind of dark already, so anyway, that's that one there. And let me see how we're gonna do this one because it's kind of dark already. Maybe like that. Boom. Right, that one right there. Right, let's do the easy one. Right, quick unbox for the GTR parts. Right, there you go. So we have some blow-off bulb from Go Fast Beats. This is for the GTR. Okay. So as always, you know, those decals, you know, you guys know me. For the people that knows me, I love stickers. Right there. Ah man, I fold that one. Let's fix that one. So let's check the actual blow-off bulb. Alright, so that's pretty neat. I picked this one because they said that this is loud. And there's that one right there. Looks like a trumpet. Boom. So I have 2 of these. I'm not gonna open the other one because it's the same thing. How that one works. Let's put it back. Alright, there you go. Cool. That's the blow-off bulb. Alright. Let's put this one back. So the other one is inside. It's 2. Comes with 2. Oh man. Let's put this one back properly. Alright, boom. Hey. Where are you going? Alright, so let's close that one. Okay, so there's a lot of mosquito. That's the problem here in Georgia. A lot of mosquito. So that's the first one. The blow-off bulb. Right. Okay, second box. Last second box. Let's see what's inside the second box. Ooh. Oops. Pretty neat. Right. Let's see what's inside. All right. What a box. That's a big box. Okay. All right. So the second box. Ta-da! What is this inside? Oh boy, she is pretty. She is pretty. Volume. See, it's clear over here. Oh, that's alpha. Oh, Ams oil separator. Oh, it's small. Damn, how this one works. What the heck? Oh, that's just the filter inside. That's crazy. See the filter inside? What? Is it really like that? That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. So, where are we gonna put this one? So people put that one in there. Well, let's figure that one in the morning. It's already dark. So, but yep, that's the second box. That's the Alpha Ams. Alpha Ams. Right, let's put this one back. Right. Okay. So we got from Ams, oil separator. Looks big in the picture, but it's very small. Alright, let's put this one back properly. Alright. Cool. Actually, I'm just gonna include, I have 5 items for the GTR. So there's 3. Give me 1 sec. Okay, put this one right here. Put this one back. That one goes in there. That one goes there. That's all the lines. Comes with all braided lines. Oh, what is this? What the heck is this? Oh, that's the new. Comes with new oil dipstick. We put the oil dipstick. That's pretty neat. Okay. I didn't know that. That's what's up. Man, let's see what we got over here. Hold on. One thing I'm looking for, they don't have. Damn, they don't have my sticker. Shoot, look at all those braided lines. What? What kind of Ams is this? They don't have braided lines. I mean stickers. Whatever. Well, I guess we're gonna make that sticker because they don't have it. Yep, nothing in here. So let's put that one back. All right. Alright, so that's what we have. Let's put this one in here. Okay. That's garbage. Manufactured country, Ams Performance USA. Separator kit. Next more requires and coolant expansion. Huh? Requires Ams coolant expansion. What does that mean? I don't understand that. Well, that's what it says over there. I don't know what does that mean, but I'm gonna search that one. All right, and that's 11 minutes. So all right, I'm back. So this is what I got, and the coolant expansion tank for, again, for the GTR. All right, so this is the number 3. Let's see. All right, so we have the Go Fast Beats, the Gfb Bov, the tank, the oil separator kit, and we have the front and rear brake pads, Hulk ceramic brake pads. All right, nothing special. That goes there. All right, goes there. All right. Okay, so we're gonna unbox the biggest one. Okay, the last one right there. So as you guys can see, it says Nissan. That means that's authentic. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Whoa. What? Damn. Oh, I thought it's big. That was very small. I didn't know. I thought that was big. Alright, let's see what we got. And it's very light. We got our bellhousing for the GTR. That one is not clanking anymore. Sheesh. Know what I mean? That's what we got. Alright, so this is the problem. This area here, this part right here, is a common problem for the GTR. Where's that? Right there. This one right here is clanking. So now, look at that one. There's no play. Damn, I thought that was big. It's very small. I mean, I could pick up that one hand. That's very light. Alright. So, that's what we have. We have 5 items for the GTR. Okay, so... oh man, it's pretty nice. So we have 5 items for the GTR. This. And those small parts right there. That's pretty cool. Alright. Must be nice. Alright, so again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and don't forget to like and share on the video if you like the content or the unboxing of the parts for my GTR. Yeah, that'll be soon to be seen on the car installed. But yep, for now, that's about it. Goodbye and thank you. See you later.